Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Transit Connect Wagon. The Ford Transit Connect Wagon is working to fill the niche for business and cargo management for deliveries. This 2010 North American Truck of the Year definitely needs a second look if you are looking for a delivery vehicle with more cargo ability and better mileage than a typical van, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 300 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, engine immobilizer, remote engine start, remote keyless entry, speed control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.